Will you build my parts kit for me? Will you take my sten and put it back together again for me to fire from a closed bolt, single action only, and make it California compliant? No. And there's a reason why I won't do that, and a reason why every now and then you'll see me do something like this M60 or this Bren eventually. This Bren has been cut to pieces. And I am going to do this Bren, and I'm going to make this Bren semi-automatic. What do the owners of these weapons have that a lot of people that are going to fill my email box up that I'm just not going to ask you? And here's what it is. I don't trust you. Now let me break that out. As a customer, I don't trust you to have the time, psychological, and financial resources to deal with what it's going to take to re-weld a gun like this. This is in the mid 4 digits to get just this gun to run again because of the amount of time it takes. $47, you said it was going to be $45. I don't have time for that. I love you guys, but no, I'm not going to re-arsenal your Tula Mosin for you. I'm not going to do it because I don't have the time. And I know that sounds a little pretentious, but I don't. Because what I really don't is I don't trust the fact that you have the psychological, physical, and financial resources to see the project through, and I'm going to be left holding the bag. Some of these redo projects are a little sketchy, if not legally sketchy. And I got to tell you, there is so much low-hanging fruit in my world right now, it's damn near knocking me in a hoo-hoos. So I really don't have the time to do that, if you understand what I'm talking about. I just wanted to bring that up. I get asked all the time, I've got this great project. No, you don't. And I'm not trying to be mean, and I love all you guys, and I call a lot of people, and I talk a lot of people through a lot of things. But these aren't it. This particular Bren, what makes me want to do this Bren? The owner said he's been searching out for 9 years, and he's found guys that could weld it, but he only found one guy that could weld it back together and have it be a gun. There's a lot going to be tied up in this. This M60, I helped this M60 out, and I did a lot of teaching, and the gentleman that I did it for had the time and the financial resources to see it through. I'm not getting any younger, and I can only climb those steps so many more times. And as always, it's been a pleasure to serve you guys. I just had to explain that to you. Thanks.